Very good morning to all. I am TV Lakshmi. Now I would like to discuss about the combinational logic circuits. Before going to the topic, a small advice to all the students is manage your time wisely. Time is a very strong and most powerful tool than anything in this world. Good time management lowers your stress, tension, anxiety, etc. and enhance your skills, which leads to fulfill your dreams and to get success. Wish you good luck. Let us go to the topic, that is combinational logic circuit. That combinational logic circuit consists of only logic gates. It have the any number of inputs and any number of outputs, and that outputs depends only on the present inputs, because there is no memory elements or feedback path in combinational logic circuit. Whereas in sequential circuit, that outputs depends on the present inputs and also on the previous outputs, because it consists of the memory elements and there is a feedback path from the output to the input. Hence that outputs not only depends on the present inputs but also on the previous outputs in the sequential logic circuits. Examples for the combinational logic circuits are adders, subtractors, multiplexers, etc. In sequential logic circuits, examples are flip-flops, shift registers, etc. And let us discuss the designing steps of the combinational logic circuits. The designing procedure for combinational logic circuits starts with the problem statement, ends at logic circuit diagram, and comprises the following steps. The first step is determine required number of inputs and outputs from the specifications. That is, what are the outputs how to get by using that combinational logic circuit, and to get that outputs, what are the inputs you have to give and what are the logic circuits you have to use in that circuit. The first step is to determine the outputs and inputs. Next, preparation of the truth table. To get the outputs, what are the possible inputs? We should know that truth table, that is, derive the truth table for each of the outputs based on their relationships to the input. After writing the truth table, we have to minimize the Boolean expressions. To simplify the Boolean expressions for each output by using K-map or Boolean algebra equations. Next, after finding the minimized Boolean equations or logical expressions, we have to draw the circuit diagram, that is the digital logic diagram, that represents the simplified Boolean expressions. Verify the design by analysis or simulating the circuit. These are the designing steps. Let us discuss about the off-adder. Off-adder is a combinational logic circuit with two inputs and two outputs. The off-adder circuit is designed to add two single-bit binary numbers A and B. The circuit has two outputs and two inputs. Here that outputs are sum and carry out, and inputs are single binary bits, those are A and B. Next, how to prepare the truth table with all possible inputs. Here we take the A, B or the single bit binary numbers, and that outputs are sum and carry out. For all possible inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, let us see this binary addition. 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1, 0. That is, sum is 0, carry is 1. Here that output is 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. That is, carry is 1, sum is 0. Here we prepared that truth table. After preparing the truth table, we have to minimize the Boolean expressions by using the k-maps. Here there are two inputs, so you have taken that two variable k-map that it consists of 4 cells, and that sum output is logic 1 for 0 1 and 1 0. Here we write the 1 for 0 1 and 1 0. The logical expression for this 0 1 is a bar b, and for this 1 0 is a b bar. Similarly, you have to write the logical expressions for the carry out by using this two variable k map. This output, carry output, is logic 1 only when a and b are logic 1. So here I wrote the 1 for 1 1. That equivalent Boolean expression is 1 1, that is a is 1, b is 1, that is the a b. After writing these minimized Boolean expressions, how to draw the circuit diagram by using this logical expressions, that is a bar b plus a b bar. This is the a exclusive or b, and for the carry output is a b, that is the AND gate. By using exclusive OR gate we can realize the sum output, and by using AND gate we can realize the carry output. That is the half-adder combination logic circuit. And the first step is identifying the inputs and outputs. That outputs are sum and carry. For input bits are a and b. After identifying the inputs and outputs, how to prepare the truth table. For the all possible inputs we wrote the outputs. That is the second step. Next, we write the minimized Boolean expression by using the k-map. That is, for each output you have to write the Boolean expressions, that is for sum and carry out. Here we get the a bar b plus a b bar for sum, and for carry a b. A bar b plus a b bar equal to a exclusive or b, and carry equal to a b, that is AND gate. That is that we draw the circuit diagram for the half adder by using this exclusive OR gate and AND gate. Thank you very much.